Haiti lies in the Caribbean Sea and covers the western part of the island it shares with the Dominican Republic. Having gained independence in 1804 after the only victorious war of freedom from slavery against French colonial powers, Haiti has recently endured many years of unprecedented social and political turmoil. Violence and instability reign. The economic situation continues to worsen. The new rules of globalization have imposed the cancellation of custom duties, resulting in the closing down of many national industries. And the agro-industry, all of the factories dedicated to transforming milk have shut down in the past 10 years. In Haiti, milk production suffers from two handicaps: competition from imported products, largely from the European Union and Canada, which are easily accessible, and the challenges of commercialization. Every year, Haiti imports more than 40 million euros worth of milk products. Milk is no less than the second category of food imports in the country. In spite of the situation they face, Haitian producers organize and develop sustainable alternate strategies with support from young professionals. Agogo is a network of micro-dairies supported by Vetérimed, a Haitian NGO. Farmers can now sell their milk again and count on a more stable income. The first dairy opened up in 2002 in the city of Limonade, which is located in the northern part of the country. The north and northeastern departments together cover more than 50,000 hectares of plains. In 1999, a harsh drought afflicted the entire northeastern part of the country and claimed most of the farm animals' lives. This is because livestock production is precarious in Haiti. Small farmers' cows are fed grass on fallow land along the roadside or the remnants of a harvest. Water is often cruelly lacking. Nevertheless, small farmers ensure 90% of the animal production in the country. Beef production is generally a man's affair. However, Elise, who is the head of her family, owns a few cows. After the drought in 1999, she managed to reconstitute her livestock thanks to a traditional livestock system.
My father has always been a farmer. I grew up in it. The great drought has put me in this state of poverty and leaves me with no choice but to keep only a few cows. My father had many cows, but the drought devastated us. All of our animals died of hunger or thirst or got stuck in the mud. As a woman, animal breeding means a lot of work. Between 6 a.m. and 4 p.m., I had to lead the cows around so that they could find grass along the road. Then at 4, I took them back to the enclosure. But thanks to Vetérimed, we were able to fence in our land and they provided us with grain to feed the animals. We built the fences ourselves. They brought the grain here by truck, we planted them, and now we can enjoy the benefits. We did not know this technique of planting grains. We used to cut the guinea grass here and there, but even then, we would keep it to cover our houses. We are always suspicious of new techniques, but when we can see that it works for us, we adopt them.
Vetérimed is a Haitian NGO that is specialized in animal production and works to improve small farmers' well-being and living conditions by supporting livestock production. In order to do this, Vetérimed has launched a fodder species improvement program. The goal is to improve quality and availability in times of drought. This is done essentially through farmers' associations.
Parce que à peine ça me gagne même,
I'm in a very difficult situation. My father died recently. I was already poor and then I had to spend a lot of money for his burial. However, I'm not giving up. And what keeps me going first and foremost is God and the fact that I'm part of an association.
We were not thinking of creating an association, but rather of encouraging them to do it. The proof is, even though I am no longer there as an initiator, the association continues to exist.
The association is a great comfort for me and brings me relief.
We insisted that they give themselves some clear objectives, and one of the objectives that came up in all groups was that women wanted to create financial resources. Doing business was a common objective for all the women.
If I have 5 goods, I can do anything with them. But if we get together, say 5 or 10 of us, we will have 150 or 250 goods. Also, if I'm alone, you may lend me up to 150 goods, no more. But if I am associated with others, you can lend me up to 5,000 goods.
They have also started some saving activities with their own money. They started giving loans, and as the fund increased, some of them were able to set up a business. I have to say that in this area, women always find a way to have a source of income, regardless of the difficulties they face. We all sat down to figure out how we could help them attain their objective, which is to change their conditions. This is how we came up with the idea of a project to invest in the purchasing of cows.
Here in Limonade, in the northern part of Haiti, we are preparing to distribute 10 cows. It was one of the first operations in the Solidarity Investments campaign with Haitian farmers. The program is an original form of cooperation between Solidarity investors in the north and small farmers in Haiti.
I receive a cow, which is now giving milk today. She gave birth to a calf 15 days ago. This is thanks to the women group with whom I can now become stronger.
As a complement to improving foraging species, Vétérimed encourages the construction of wells to water the animals. The Solidarity Investment Program is relayed in France by the Collectif Haïti de France and Agronomes et Vétérinaires Sans Frontières, as well as by Aisé Monde in Canada. It is based on Haiti's traditional livestock system.
This is nothing new. We were inspired by the traditional livestock system. A small farmer who has many cows most likely can take care of them. Therefore, he confides them to a custodian who is a friend, a cousin, or a parent. Whoever, this person who will take care of 1 or 2 of those cows will make profit by having and selling the milk. And the cows will be separated between the owner and the custodian. So that the cow can have milk, it needs to get pregnant every year. And those cows will be separated between both the owner and the custodian. As in the traditional system, in the Solidarity Investment System, after 4 years, the owner, people who are living in foreign countries, entrusted Vétérimed, will be able to benefit of the money from the sales of the cow, and what's more of an interest that's issued by the sale of the 3rd calf. The 2 first cows will be for the custodian, who will be now a new owner.
Is the little calf for you?
Yes, I'm going to let it go, and when it's a bull, and I hope it will be big, I will be able to buy a cow that will bring in some profit.
In the course of this program, Vetérimed technicians provide training to farmer beneficiaries and healthcare to animals.
Are you happy with your animal?
Yes, he gave me a beautiful bull.
Have you already started milking the cow?
No, not yet.
Why not?
We are waiting until the calf is 22 days old.
Oh no, you don't have to wait that long. Once the calf has drunk the colostrum, you can milk it within 5 or 6 days and sell the milk.
I have 8 kids and take care of them in every way. That's my bread and butter. I keep animals, but the milk pays for the kids' schooling because I don't have any other income. It's the only revenue for these unfortunate kids. I sell the milk to the dairy and it helps. In the past, we didn't know how to sell the milk. We just kept it for the kids. Now we have the advantage of having a place to sell the stock.
But I see many merchants that buy milk.
Yes, but the price is not the same. Vetérimed is better. When you sell milk to those merchants, they go to the city to sell it and often bring it back because business was not good. While you're waiting for the money, nothing comes back. But thank God, when you go to the dairy, unless you have an accident, you will get your money for sure.
Traveling merchants take whatever milk is available, while the dairy only takes pure and clean milk. When the merchant has this much milk, he waters it down with half a gallon to make a gallon of milk. Here at the dairy, the milk must be pure.
To improve the situation, Vetérimed initiated the Agogo project and created a network of micro-dairies, where small farmers can sell their milk, thus ensuring them a more stable income. Today, the network is made up of 10 mini-dairies that transform between 250 and 600 liters of milk each every day. About 500 small farmers are involved in the network. Agogo is not just the name of the program. It is also the brand name of a line of milk products sold on the Asian market, such as fresh yogurt, plain or strawberry, and chocolate or vanilla-flavored UHT milk. Agogo dairies are community-based businesses that are owned by groups of young investors and farmers' associations. Their representatives sit on a board of directors. One of the network's unique aspects is its use of technologies adapted to the widespread lack of electricity in Haiti. Agogo products are mostly sold in urban centers. On today's market, they are the only dairy products made from locally produced milk. The Solidarity Investment Program supports the Agogo network. Such initiatives provide small farmers with an alternative to fight the perverse effects of globalization and open markets today. At Limonade, in northern Haiti, women are at the forefront of this movement.
La conversa,